Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Discord from light to dark theme. So what you need to do is go to user settings and go to appearance down here in app settings. Now as you can see you have these two options, light, which really hurts my eyes, and dark. Dark is obviously the better one, for me at least. You can also sync with computer, which right now for me honestly doesn't do anything. But I think if you have like a light background, maybe it will turn it into a light background here. I'm not sure, but for now I'm going to leave it on dark. Of course, if you have Nitro, you can, well, you have even more customization options right here. There's also one more thing. You can change the icon of Discord, but of course only with Nitro. And you can preview it. Let me show you quickly. As you can see, it changes right up here. Just look at that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyhow guys, if you found this video useful, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Have a nice day.